This video will show you on how to download and install Microsoft Office 365 on your PC or laptop. The first thing you're going to do is to open any browser, for example the Google Chrome, okay, and then in the address bar type in www.office.com. Then right after that one, so you're going to click sign in, okay, and next kindly type your account. Okay, for example, this is my account, and then click next. Okay, so then you're going to be you are prompted to enter your password, so enter your password here, then click sign in. So after signing in with your password, so just click yes. Okay, so this is now the portal of the Office 365, or the home of the Office 365. And then so in the upper right corner, so we have here install Office, so kindly click this one, drop down arrow, and then click Office 365 apps. Okay, so as you click that one, so this will install or download, I mean, okay, this will download. Okay, as you see here at the lower left corner, okay, it's already downloading. So Office setup.exe. So we're going to wait for a few seconds. Okay, it depends upon the your internet connection. Okay, so right after that one, so you're going to click this downloaded application, which is the Office setup. Okay, just click that one. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so you will be prompted this, then click yes. Okay, so we're going to wait for minutes or seconds, or as long as the Microsoft Office 365 is finished installing. But what I've said earlier, it depends upon the your connection, okay, the internet connection. Okay, so we'll just wait. So we're getting things ready. So it's still installing. Okay, so of course this will take minutes. It depends upon also to your specification of your laptop or desktop. Okay, so it is now downloading the Microsoft Office 365 again. So we're going to wait minutes until it is done. So before we're going to activate this Microsoft Office 365. Okay, so it is almost done. Okay, again, so still we're going to wait. Okay, you are all set. Office is installed now. Okay, so we're going to close. Okay, so next is, okay, just a few more steps. I need to close this one. And okay, so once the installation done, so you're going to go to start, then choose any Microsoft Office 365, for example Microsoft Word. Okay, open that one, then click account, and then okay, if you are not signed in, so you're going to click sign in here, and then enter your um, Microsoft Office 365 account, and then click sign in. Okay, so okay, I'm going to open a blank document, and then as you can see here in the upper right corner, Okay, so once your name appear here, so it means that you already um, signed in and your account is activated.